Today's video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Another beautiful fall day today here in Pennsylvania and a busy day. I just loaded up the BX with the box blade and a few bales of straw, and Melissa and I are headed to West Virginia later on today. We'll get down there this evening, and then tomorrow we're going to finish stoning the driveway, and we're going to do some seeding and mulching along the sides of the driveway. It's getting pretty late in the year to plant grass, so I think I'll pick up some winter rye to put down. We should get a little something growing there before winter, but I just checked the forecast. They're actually calling for some snow down there next week. I know it won't be a bunch, but it's coming pretty quick. All right, before we head down to West Virginia, I need to finish up a few things down here by the brick house. If you saw that last video, I put a big culvert pipe in. I'll show you that here in just a minute. It's actually supposed to rain tomorrow night, so I'm gonna get this all fixed up and tracked in as best I can. Melissa has a few things to take care of too before we leave. But boy, this clay, I'm telling you, it's not hard. It's not like rock, but it's just tight. I can dig it with the skid loader, no problem, but it's just easier doing this, kind of pulling it down with the excavator and piling it up, and then I can move it real fast. Earlier, I mentioned that today's video was sponsored by Athletic Greens, and I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video. AG1 by Athletic Greens is a nutritional drink that has really helped us to simplify our health routine. It has 75 ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, superfoods, probiotics, and adaptogens. AG1 is more than a greens powder. It's your daily multivitamin and multi-mineral, pre- and probiotic, immunity support, and more. And yes, it provides your daily greens blend as well. There are three main things that I was looking for in a nutritional drink. Number one, something to help boost my energy. I stay busy all the time. I get up early. I get about 6.5 hours of sleep a night. That's all I really need, but I stay busy all the time. But occasionally I get those 2 p.m. sleepies after lunch, and Athletic Greens has definitely helped with that. The second thing is immune support. I don't like getting sick at all. I hate being down. Melissa says I act like a baby. It's a whole thing. I don't like getting sick. Athletic Greens helps with immune support. The third thing is it has to be simple and easy to take, or I wouldn't do it. And Athletic Greens has me covered on that as well. If you want more information, go to athleticgreens.com/outdoors with the Morgans to get started on your order. Athletic Greens is going to give my community a free 1-year supply of immune-supporting vitamin D3 plus K2 and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. If I don't forget, I want to show you this copper wire before I leave down here. I mentioned it the other day. When I was digging across here, I hit an old electric line that went to a street light over to my right. And it's huge, giant wire. I don't know why they needed anything that big, but that'll be going to the scrapyard. I'm not sure what copper's paying right now, but I think it's up there pretty good. Then when we tear the old pool house down, I don't know what aluminum's like, but that's all aluminum siding on there. I wonder, do they make aluminum siding anymore? I don't even know. Everything's vinyl siding that you see. I don't know if they make it or not. I don't think I ever had anything with aluminum siding on it. Before I get on the skid loader, we're going to go over, kind of sit right on that culvert pipe. There's just a little stump that I didn't see yesterday. We're going to dig it out. Then we'll carry some of this fill across there and get her all fixed up. All right, we're just going to clean a little bit of this vegetation off this bank and a little bit of the topsoil. Dig this little stump out of here. Then we'll be ready to put some more fill in here. Here's that little stump. Stubborn little stump. Looking forward to going to West Virginia. If we get down that way before dark, we may stop at Cooper's Rock. The should be about peak right now for the fall foliage. The leaves should be looking really nice. Kind of wish this whole time of year would last longer though, because it's like this for a few weeks and then it's going to turn brown and gray and then white with snow. But as much as I like doing stuff outside, I actually I won't mind some time inside, to tell you the truth. Stuff in the building and got plenty to do. That's why I haven't been working on it. I mentioned that in a video the other day. It's been so nice out. Be crazy for me to be inside on days like this. I think we're ready for some fill. All right, this is coming out pretty nice. I just need just a little bit more fill here, not much. But that clay, it compacts really well. And then over here, I took some out of here. This stuff here had a little bit of like vegetation, tiny little bit of topsoil. It's not the best for fill. So I'm putting that down on that outside edge there. Just kind of fluffed it out there. Here in a little bit, I'll rake it back and forth and then get it tracked in. But everywhere else is nice and tight. This will probably stay a little bit soft out on that edge, but that's no big deal. All right, not too shabby. Got a nice big flat spot here and a way to get over to the yard. Levi and I were talking. We'll probably put a driveway down along the bottom of the yard that ties into the driveway over there. You know, maybe in the spring. But when I tear this pool house down right here, you know, I have a little bit more dirt to come out of there. That'll really open this up right here. Like I said, I'll scrap the aluminum siding and haul some stuff to the landfill and probably burn the wood or something. We'll see what we can do. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Next up, I need to take the excavator up to the house. Then I'll come back down and get the skid loader. And then Melissa should be about ready. we'll hop in the truck and head to West Virginia. But anyway, stick around to the end. We have a little teaser from the next video. But I think that's about it for today's video. I want to thank all of you for being here, and I also want to thank Athletic Greens for sponsoring today's video. If you want more information on that, check out the link in the description.